Hey guys, my name is Scoby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use an Xbox One controller wired on your Nintendo Switch. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. On screen right now you can see me doing this. It works really well. There's no real input lag. Now I will mention you can't do this without an adapter. In this case we're going to be using the Magic NS USB adapter for the Nintendo Switch. This is a really cheap adapter coming in at just around €20. I'm going to be leaving links in the description down below to Amazon where you can find this if you're interested in getting it. But the setup is overall really easy. The device itself is quite small. It's around the size of a normal USB. It's a little bit smaller than the Joy-Cons, but it also comes with an OTG cable in the actual package, which is really nice. So now I'm going to be showing you step by step how to set everything up. So the first thing you need to do is when your Nintendo Switch is off and locked, what we're going to be doing is plugging in our OTG cable into the bottom of our Switch and making sure it's nice and secure. Once your Switch is unlocked, what we're going to be doing is bringing it to the home menu, just pressing any button 3 times until we get to our dashboard, and then we're going to be waiting here for a minute. So as you can see on our actual adapter right now, it's flashing in a green color, and what our goal is to try and get this to turn to a red color, and how we do this is press the black button on the side of our adapter. You'll see a rapid flashing, and then you want to hold this black button for 3 to 5 seconds after. So like I said before, our goal is to get this to a red color. As you can see, it just changed from green to red right now. You may have to go through a couple settings, but don't worry too much, it shouldn't take too long. Once you have a red flashing adapter, what we're going to be doing is grabbing our Xbox One controller connected with a wire, and we're going to be connecting a USB cable into the Magic NS USB adapter that's connected to our Switch, and you should see our Xbox One controller should turn on automatically. You can see as I scroll around now, it'll automatically work. Now when our adapter and controller is fully set up in this state, our controller is going to act like a Nintendo Switch Pro controller, so all the buttons are going to be mapped like that, so everything should match the Nintendo layout, but it's actually quite comfortable. It took a little bit of time to get used to pressing B to accept instead of pressing A on the Xbox One controller because it's flipped around, but other than that it works really well. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial and you're interested in getting one of these, like I said, I'm going to be leaving Amazon affiliate links in the description down below. It's a really good adapter and it comes in at a really good price. If you're using a Nintendo Switch, I'd really recommend getting one. It offers a lot of functionality, and using an Xbox One controller or any other controller that this adapter supports to play Nintendo Switch games is a really nice improvement. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.